Well, it's always one of the highlights of the year, but it's also a really good opportunity to meet other people who use the software and talk about their experiences of it.
This is always a really good event for us to come to every year. We felt really positive after we've left here, and it's really nice to be, told what you all have been working on during the year, and more importantly to see that a lot of it is based on feedback that you've gotten from your customers.
I've been along for a number of years and I always find it useful. There's always things that we learn. We've had the Unisquare product for about 7 years now, and there's always new things to look at and understand.
This is actually my third event that I've been to now, and I particularly like the product development and seeing the new features that are going to come out.
We work quite closely with Union on their development strategy, so it's nice to see what comes to fruition and when it's going to turn up.
I just want to see how we're progressing and want to see what's coming in the future.
We run a lot of events like this over the course of the year, so several awareness days and other forums and workshops.
We are investing a lot of money right now in our products, so we have a lot of things to tell people. This is really the only opportunity we have once a year to get everybody together and go through all the great things that we're trying to do as a business and also with the software. The key topics really are all around what we're doing as a business and what we're doing with software. So we're getting into a lot of things with our workflow toolkit, for example. We're doing some research around BIM, which is a big issue in the sector right now. So really lots of different issues around how a business can be made more effective by using a product like ours.
Obviously our customers get to come out of the office and meet all of our other clients, so it's a good chance for them for networking.
I think clients like to be updated on what we're doing, they like to understand where our company's going.
I just think it's vital to get people together and to share ideas around. We these days we can use a lot of social media and people get very isolated behind their desks, and this is a great opportunity to get them into a room to listen to what they've got to say, to understand what issues they have and really what they're trying to do to their businesses moving forwards as well. But I think really the support is more than that. It's about getting out there, seeing clients, understanding really what they want to do, what they want to get from the system and how we can help them better.
Union Square for us are a strategic technology partner. We work very closely with them supporting our own developments in-house of our vessels, but also us inputting into where their product is going so that we get a mutual solution to the benefit of both organisations.
Union Square has really supported us in terms of our business growth. We've had quite a big growth strategy over the last few years. In fact, we're going to probably double in turnover this next year with acquisitions and expansions overseas, and Union Square has helped to promote that.
The thing that I've always found is that everyone's very responsive, so if I ever go to you with a question or a request, I always get someone coming back and talking to me. I think that the product has helped us become much better connected. It's saved us a lot of time. It's made the whole project lifecycle much easier to understand and helped us capture all the knowledge in our company in a much more efficient way.
We are heavily involved in the project execution tool already, and it would be interesting to go and see other areas of the Union product as we also develop technology ourselves and get some thoughts on how you can do it and what seems to work.
And I think it's important that we keep those high level of engagements up in order that we can keep driving the product forward.